Welcome to SEDES English. My name is Luis, and today we're going to learn about demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to distinguish from one entity to the other or to refer to an entity. So we use 4 demonstrative pronouns in English. These demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. One more time. These, that, these, and those. And the way we use them is this. First, let's look at this. I have a ball. It's 1. And the distance between the ball and I is short, so I can touch it. This is used for objects that are singular and that are in a short distance, like this ball. So this is a ball. So I'm going to use this. This is a ball, singular, and it is in a short distance. Now, use that. That is going to be used as well for singular objects that are in a distance that is longer. For example, now I have that is a ball. It's 1, and there is certain distance between the ball and I. So I'm going to say that is an orange ball. This is a ball. That. This. That. Now, let's look at these. The difference between the pronunciation between these and these is that you extend the E a little bit. These are 2 balls. So here I have that this is for plural and for close distances. So this is for plural and for a short distance. This is for plural and for short distance. So these are 2 balls. These are 2 balls. While those is used as well for plurals, but when they have a longer distance. Those are 2 balls. Those are 2 balls. Those, plural, 2 or more, and a longer distance. So I have these and those. Okay? So let's look at some examples. This is a yellow ball. This, singular and short distance. So this is a yellow ball. And that is a positive example. That's an affirmation. If I want to do it plural, I would say these are 2 balls. These, plural and short distance. Now, let's look at the negative example. That is not a red ball. So I have that. That is for a longer distance. That, singular, is not a red ball. That is a yellow ball, no a red ball. So that is not or that isn't a red ball. Now, how do I make a question? To make a question, all I have to do is to take the verb to be and put it at the beginning of the sentence. So, is this one short distance? So, is this a green ball? No, it is not. When I am using this kind of questions, those are closed questions where you only have 2 options, either yes or no. So you can say yes, it is, or in this case, no, it is not. This is an orange ball. No, a green ball. Plurals, those. Okay, I am using those. That means that it's plural and I need certain distance. So are those 2 green balls? Are plural, those, certain distance. Are those 2 green balls? No, they are not. Still, you have 2 options to answer this. Yes, they are, or no, they are not. Again, let's review the formula we use to build demonstrative pronouns. This is a yellow ball. This, short distance, singular. Formula, you begin with your sentence using a demonstrative pronoun. Then the verb to be and the object. demonstrative pronoun, the verb to be, and object. This is a yellow ball. Negatives. Demonstrative pronoun, that, then verb to be is, then the negative auxiliary, not. That is not, or that isn't, a red ball. Again, demonstrative pronoun, verb to be, negative auxiliary, and object. That is not, or that isn't, a red ball. Questions. All you have to do is to take the verb to be. All you have to do is to take the verb to be and put it at the beginning of the expression. Is this a green ball? Formula is verb to be, then demonstrative pronoun and the object. Very important, question mark. So formula, the verb to be, demonstrative pronoun, and object. Are those, plural, certain distance, 2 green balls? Yes, they are, or no, they aren't. So again, we have 2 demonstrative pronouns, these, that, these, and those. This and that for singular. These and those, plural. This, singular and short distance. That, singular and a larger distance. These, plural and short distance. Those, plural and a longer distance. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, and hope to see you soon in class. Thank you.